Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get free 100 credits Fable 5 on Cloud AI. Now, quick one guys, once you get those credits, you just come over here to the profile section and then tap on settings. And then if you want to see your credits, obviously just come over here and then click on the account. Now, once you click on the account, guys, you see credit section down here. If you can't see it, guys, you just come over here to the billing and then you need to upgrade your plan. Now, guys, point to note is that to get those 100 free Fable credits, you need to be using the Pro plan. You can see, guys, this one over here is just a free plan. You can see. Now, to upgrade, just tap on upgrade over here and then go to the Pro plan. I'm using the free plan over here. You can see, go to the Pro plan. Once you upgrade to the Pro plan, you'll be getting those credits. You can see the Pro plan only costs you $17 a month. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe.